ये ढोल क्यों लेके चल रहे हैं? क्योंकि पिकनिक मनानी है, पॉजिटिविटी की बातें करनी है कि नहीं? We are at Fragrance Garden, still looking for a place where we can unroll our backpack and start the picnic. What do you say, man?
Good afternoon everyone. Today we are here to ask the question that you posted on our Instagram page, and Shrey will be here to answer those questions. So let's start.
Let's hope that we can bring some positivity and self-improvement in everybody's life. Questions. These are the questions which are posted on Masters of Positivity Official.
What is the importance of positivity in one's life?
Positivity is a perception which quickly sorts out the best options which will yield the maximum yield. Right?
Let's go on to the next question. What is one's purpose in life?
See, doing what's needed. According to me, that is the purpose of one's life. Because this never gets obsolete. Right? Doing what's needed.
So do you think that one needs to find actually what actually is needed?
It will be visible. Before shooting this video, camera setup was needed. So all your talents and all your abilities are there to serve others. You can only serve others by doing what's needed.
Why are dogs more reliable than humans?
Okay. Dogs are more reliable than humans because humans don't have expectations from dogs as they have with humans. If they start having expectations from those dogs as well, they'll be disappointed by the dogs. I am saying expectations is the issue, not dogs or humans.
Where do you think humanity is heading?
I can say that people are getting interested about knowing their interiority, about knowing the realms and dimensions of these subtle energies within them so they can improve themselves. And they're getting distracted and now less focused on the material objects which used to take up most of their times.
How to deal with mental stress?
Relaxation. You deal with mental stress by relaxation. When you are relaxed, your mind expands. New and good ideas, they occur to you, ideas which will help you deal with any situation. But when you're tensed or stressed, the mind contracts. The flow of idea is cut off. That's why you feel stressed. So find out ways you can relax yourself, like sit straight, cross-eyed, and just close your eyes. Take back rest, and don't try to analyze anything. Whatever comes, this and that. It's not meditation, please, guys. It's just sitting and closing your eyes. This will help you relax.
Books are to educate oneself about mental health and self-awareness. Can you suggest those books?
The power of your subconscious mind, number 1. Number 2, how to win friends and influence people. Number 3, why winners win. Number 4, the magic of thinking big. And number 5, take up one spirituality book also. Any one of your choice.
I would like to add one of my choices. It's called The Secret.
Oh, The Secret. Oh, yes, man.
What is wishful thinking?
Wishful thinking is one moment you're thinking this, other moment you're thinking that. There is no, these are empty thoughts, right? So, but it's different from positive thinking. Positive thinking is more like planning. Like you plan for what you want. Everybody plans for what they want, right? But the difference is that in planning you also anticipate to get that thing. That is why it is a plan. In positive thinking also you have to do that. You have to anticipate to get that thing that you're thinking positively about. It's just that in wishful thinking there is no anticipation. In wishful thinking there is no such thing. One moment you have thought about that, other moment you thought about that.
I would like to add something. How to approach towards the positivity. I will give you a very short example. you always get late to the school because of some reason, like the time of the bus or something. So you always think that I should not get late to the school. So there are some negative words in the sentence itself, like not, like late. Rather than that, you should think like I would get to the school very early. I will try my best.
He is 100% right. I support you, man. Thank you for pointing that out. The vocabulary itself, a lot of people are using, because the mind does not understand the word not, because not does not have an image for the mind, right? So just like keywords, Google search engine, think your mind as a Google search engine, right? It will focus on the word late. I will not get late. It will give you all the results of late, right? But if you say I will get early, then it will give you all the early suggestions, and you'll eventually end up going early to school. बस खत्म हो गया? अरे वाह यार, अच्छा लगा आपसे काम करके. ठीक है भाइयों.